Hi, today we're starting again with the videos, and today I want to talk to you about having excuses. Sometimes in our business we tend to have excuses why we don't do this or why we don't do that. For me, last time I made the challenge and I said I'm going to do the 90 videos and it's going to be day 1, day 2 and day 3, right? But then what happened that the weekend came in and I had a party and I had Sunday and today is Monday again. So I want to talk to you about this, why we should stop making excuses, why we should commit and start again. And okay, that's okay for me that I missed 2 days, so I'm back again and I'm not going to miss a day again. So this is my challenge, this is my compromise with you. And I'm here to make no excuses and to start all over again. Sometimes in business we have to start again and again. Sometimes we fall, and that's for you and for me to just learn about it and start all over again. Today it's going to be again day number 1 for me in the video, and I just want to encourage you to stop thinking or stop making excuses and continue with your business and continue with your life. We're going to be on stage in Denver, so see you around. Thank you. Bye.